This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and I am doing a video now on a site where you can earn by trading cryptocurrencies on a site called eTORO. Now, eTORO is a platform that I've done a video on before. I'll have a link at the end of this video, but it's been a while since I did an update on it. And I want to show you guys what a strategy that you could do to earn money to fund, to build your crypto. Well, actually, you're really earning money. Okay, this is a way if you want to learn, you want to earn from cryptocurrency trading and things of that sort. There are several ways to do that. You can copy traders. You can trade on your own by buying a coin, letting it go up, and when it goes in profit, you can sell it. So I kind of want to show you guys what I'm doing here. All right, what I am doing. What's my plan going to be? So the video that I'll have linked at the end of this video will give a more in-depth overview. This video is just letting you know how I'm going to utilize this platform to fund my passive income opportunities, like Novatech or any other platform that I want to get in, or just build my bank account, So with this, which I love, is that you can deposit money directly from your debit or credit card. All right, so I could add my debit card in here, and then you have to deposit a minimum of $50, and from there you go ahead, you deposit it, and then you from your watch list is where you're going to go to see the different coins. If you don't see all the coins you want listed here when you sign up on the watch list, you can type it in here, whatever coin you want to trade, and you can do that. So right now I have trading for me and I'm in negative, is ADA. Now I entered this trade in ADA back when it was at 166, and that's when the market started going down. It was in a bear. It was during the bear market, and it's rebounding now. So it's kind of working its way back up to this. So I've been holding on to this ever since then. Let's see if it shows a date when I entered here. Yes, I entered this on May 30th. So, and I only put down $25 in it. You can put a trade in as a minimum of $25. All right. So I've been in this trade since then, and I've just been letting it sit and do its thing and wait till it works its way back up to here. I'll hold on to that. Now, how long you want to hold on to something, it's up to you what you want to do. It's best to hold on to it until it rebounds. And because you can set up stop loss and things of that sort, so I'm going to show you that in this video. So right now I have available to trade with is $52. I was in a trade that and it closed out. I set a profit in it, and it took profit, so I made money off of it. So right now my equity in this account is $73. That includes the $25, the $21 that's in here. Okay, so what I have $52 to work with now. So I am going to place a trade in Ethereum. All right, so I'm going to find Ethereum down here. You can trade any of these coins, and what I'm looking at is the chart. This is the 4-hour chart I'm looking at. The Ethereum has been going up, so I am going to go ahead and looking at this last 4-hour candle. I'm going to go ahead and enter a trade based on that. All right, and then again I'm going to click buy. Then again I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to put $50. I'm going to put the whole $52 in on this. Well, actually I'm going to put 50 because I'm going to leave that $2 in there as, you know, profit I made them all. Okay, so then all you do is click open trade. All right, so it is in there, the trade is in there. So now what I could do, if I go to portfolio, it will be there. All right, it will be there. So what to set up your take profit, what you're going to do, or stop loss, if you want to set up a stop loss, which if you're doing some day trading, you would want to put a stop loss on it, but I'm doing a swing trade. All right, so I'm going to only set up a take profit. All right, so I'm going to click on that settings button, and then I'm going to click on take profit, and then I got to click on set take profit. So here is where you put where you want it to take profit at. So right now the trade was opened at 31.14. Okay, now this is a little bit ahead. What I'm noticing, the amount that they have here is a little bit different than what's in my trading view. So but what I want to do is go to 3200. All right, I opened it at 31. So if I was to let this go to 3300, I would 33, I'm sorry, that's too many numbers here. That's 33,000. So if I put in 3200, that's going to give me a profit of $1.37. So I can do a little bit more than that. So let me look at this chart again. I'm going to look at the daily. So I'm going to see, this is a little off from their numbers. So normally what I would do is if I wanted to go all the way up here to 4,200, that's where it was back in June. And that's where it is now. And again, this is a swing trade we're placing. So what I am going to do is set this. So I want a little bit more than $1.37. So let's just do 3,300. Now again, this is so that's $2.98 profit I'm trying to get. All right, so once it reaches this, then it will close out the trade. So you know what, I'm going to do 32. Let's just go 32.50. Okay, at least $2, because again I'm only putting in $50. So you know, the percentage of that is, I think it says it somewhere. It doesn't say it here, but in any rate, this opened up the trade at 31.14, and I am going to say I'm going to go to 32.50. Once it's going to give me $2.18 profit. So then I'm going to click update, and it's there. All right, so once it reaches 32.50, then it will close out the trade for me. All right, so I'll go back to portfolio, and this is where it'll mark this trade. So It leaves me $2.17. So what I'm going to probably constantly do is with this same $50, um, once this close out, I'll reuse the $50 and continue to compound the account, and let it keep growing. Now I have $2 available. I could have put the whole 52 in, but I'm going to just let it compound, and then maybe when it gets to $55, then I'll do $55. Okay. Either way, you're not doing this based on a percentage. You're doing this, based on how much you want to trade with. So you want to put onto that trade. So my goal is to continue to grow this account. And then what I could do is after it reaches a certain amount, I can withdraw it. And I want to show you guys how that is done. You go to withdraw funds, and say for instance you can't withdraw, you need a $30 to withdraw. I can withdraw that $30, and then it will withdraw for me. So this is the breakdown. Cash equity, once I close all my trades, that's how much money I will have, and I would be able to withdraw it. When you withdraw it, it's going to withdraw back onto the card that you set up in here. So this is where you're going to manage in the settings, where you want to manage your payments, if you want to set up reoccurring deposits, where you want to have money added into, reoccurring, you can do that as well. So that is it, guys. Now, the copy traders is where you can copy whatever someone else is doing in here. You can copy other traders. I have not done that. I've done it. I think I played around with it, but I need to do a little bit more. But if you wanted to copy what this trader was doing, you go to copy trade. It says he cannot be copied. So you would find one that could be copied and copy them. I'll maybe do another video on that, if I decide to copy someone. But right now, I am just simply showing you how you can earn from placing a trade. So if you follow, just follow the market, pick a coin that you want to, especially when the market is in an uptrend like it is now, place a trade, and then, grow that money. And that's money that I can take from here and put into something passive to have it keep working for me. So that is what I'm going to be doing with this eToro account. I have other accounts that I trade in that I'm growing and compounding that I'll do videos on, like on the Kraken and on KuCoin. I have videos in my on my channel that you can go to and check out. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the